Hello everybody, in this very quick video I'm going to show you how to create your own first-person character controller really quickly using a script that I found online and that will be put up in Moodle for you to use at your convenience whenever you'd like. So real quick, I made a folder called My Scripts. I made a very basic white box scene with some pillars at angles, a little sphere over there, just some very basic stuff. Let's actually go ahead and create our character controller. So real quick, I'm going to create an empty game object. I'm going to call the empty object player because this will be where all the stuff regarding the player is going to be. Next, I'm going to create a capsule for the player. Traditionally, you use capsules for basic FPS games like this. So there's the player. Next, I'm going to find the camera, which is, where is it exactly? Camera, where are you? Oh, it's way down there. Okay. Well, whatever. I'm going to reset the positioning anyway to put it ideally right where the character controller should be. I'm going to reset the character controller position as well, so ideally everything matches up decently. The main camera, I'm going to push up a little bit so it's more like where the face of the character would be, right around there. Makes sense. Next, I am going to take this capsule, make it a child of the empty game object player. Same thing with the camera. Next, I'm going to... Actually, before that, hold on. Camera, capsule. Before that, I'm also going to make the empty game object reset to position 0 so everything's right on top of each other for easy convenience. Now capsule is child of player, now camera is child of player. Now I can go ahead and move the player up right around here. A little bit higher is okay. That makes sense. Right around there is fine. Okay. So the object is now set up, the asset is now set up within Unity. Let's actually go ahead and create some script for it, or actually paste in some script that I found again. I'm going to call it FPS script. I'm going to put it in my scripts for organization. Give that a second. I am going to open it up, and it should open up in Visual Studio. You should have installed Visual Studio alongside Unity. If not, you may need to reinstall Unity to get Visual Studio. All right, so let's go ahead and let's actually find that script online, and I'm just going to copy-paste it. Again, this will be available to you for you to use at your own convenience whenever you'd like. So I'm going to take all this. I'm going to Control-V to copy-paste the script that I found. We have some public floats here for some things that we can play around with in the inspector, the walk speed, the run speed, the jump, all that good stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and exit out. Let's save this. Thank you. And give that a second to load in. Very good. Here's all our script now updated within the inspector for the script itself. We can't actually play around with the script here in the inspector. We have to open it up within Visual Studio, but we can see all of it for ourselves here in the inspector. All right. Next, I am going to go back to the player object, which is empty right now. I am going to go ahead and place the FPS script. I can either go to Add Component, or I can just drag it in like this. We have a whole bunch of things here. We have this player camera. Nothing's targeted. Let's go ahead and drag our main camera right there. And now I believe we're all set. All we have to do is just play, and there we go. We can walk around, and we have a first-person camera within Unity. So this is a very quick tutorial of how to create your own first-person asset for any scenes that you want within Unity. You have a whole bunch of settings that you can play around with: speed, run, jump, gravity, all that good stuff. You're welcome to add this into your own projects and play around with the settings if you want, but this is a very quick tutorial of how to make this. Again, the script is going to be made available in Moodle so that you can just copy-paste it at your own convenience. All right, just a quick video about that. Hope it helps you moving forward.